Acorns Invest Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Acorns is a robo-advisor designed for beginners and hands-off investors who want to grow their wealth effortlessly. It automatically rounds up spare change from everyday purchases and invests it into a diversified portfolio. The platform offers 5 portfolio options, ranging from conservative to aggressive, built with ETFs from major providers like Vanguard and BlackRock. Acorns also provides automatic rebalancing, dividend reinvestment, and access to retirement accounts, Acorns Later, and a checking account, Acorns Checking. It's a great option for those who struggle with saving or want an easy set-it-and-forget-it investment approach. However, it comes with a flat monthly fee, $3 for the personal plan and $5 for the family plan, which can be expensive for small balances. Unlike other robo-advisors, Acorns lacks tax loss harvesting and doesn't offer personalized financial planning. While the app's simplicity makes it ideal for beginners, experienced investors may find the limited customization and relatively high fees unattractive. If you're looking for a passive way to invest spare change and gradually build wealth, Acorns could be a solid choice. But if you have a larger portfolio or want more control over your investments, better options exist.